Hey guys, this is Josh again of Basic Value, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the control group of blocks in Scratch. So the first one is simply something to control other functional blocks. Like, let's say when green flag is clicked, so it's going to be modified now because once you click it, it's going to wait for a certain amount of time that you will be setting. And then the next one is a loop block. So in this loop, it only repeats 10 times. So you could change this to 15 or even 1,000 times. So you could repeat this 1,000 times and then it stops. And then you can put blocks in here, like inside. Let me just, say hello 1,000 times. And then what's going to happen is after 1,000 times, it will end. So it's just going to keep saying hello, 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 hello until it reaches 1,000 counts. And then it stops. So let's remove that. So we have forever. So it's a forever loop. So it's gonna loop forever and it will never stop until you press this one right here to stop. Next, we have these conditional blocks. So these are actually very interesting. So these are like blocks that usually use these ones, like usually these are used in scoring. So like if score, you need to create a variable for this one. Then let's say you broadcast hello. So it's just going to be the same in here, except there will be an else. So there could be a different function or additional function for this string of blocks. So let's go back to this one right here. Let's just remove this. Wait until. So this wait until block could be modified by this one, like sensing, touching, or color, key press, mouse movement, and you could also use operator blocks in this space. Like, for example, again, this one. Okay, you could use that, or you could use this one. So wait until touching mouse pointer. So if the sprite touches the mouse pointer, then the next set of blocks will be triggered. So let's move that away. So repeat until, it's just the same, repeat until touching mouse pointer. So, and then you have function blocks inside here. Okay, you can put function blocks. I'm just inserting random blocks inside here so that you would have an idea what blocks you could use inside the repeat this block. Right, let's move this one. So stop all. So this stops all the code. All right, like all the code is stopped. Then next, when I start as a clone and create a clone of myself, delete this clone. These three are related. So basically, when green flag is clicked, create a clone of myself, then this one receives the clone message. So when you click green flag here, this one is triggered, then delete this clone. As you can see, this one triggers this one because it's, start as a clone, then this one creates the message. So those are all the control blocks that you need to know in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Peace out.